Good evening and welcome. I am Sir Lord Dandylion Smith, and welcome to a 75-part series about my contempt and utter hatred for all sentient life, including vegetable life, human life, and most importantly, filthy, filthy animals. But today, I hope to be the first nature documentor to interview live, living animals.
Whoosh! Come here! Oi!
Oh,
You
here he is,
what you
little
said about my
beige
white
bird.
bit? It's not a beige bit.
Yeah,
You've got a beige bit. It's way
Look
whiter
at
than
him
yours.
go, thinks
Oh,
he's
come
got
on!
wings
Come
big
here!
enough to flap us.
I'm gonna peck you. I'm gonna peck you right. You're such a bread stealer as well. You greedy Gary. That's what you are, greedy. Oi, I'm not beige, kid. I'm not a little beige bird. You're beige. I've got a well white bit. It's all right. Oh, come on then. Oh no! Stop! Don't you laugh at me. I'll wing you all up. I'll flap you, and I'll peck you, and I'll splash water all over you.
Excuse me, Mr. Duck, may I ask you your opinions on brown bread?
Brown bread. Brown bread. What do you think we are? We are ducks. We are not geese. We are not geese. We are ducks. We are ducks. And
we are not geese.
Brown bread goes straight to my wings. But you silly little humans, now that you're asking me for my opinion, at least you have a society or a concept of shelter, You humans never get to enjoy the simple duck life pleasures of fearing a predator. No, you don't. Just last night, my buddy Eugene was chased and eaten up by a fox. Oh, the pleasures of simple life, and more bread for me too.
Mr. Bird, what is your opinion on brown bread?
I know. Whoa, it's really cold in there, really cold. Anyway, brown bread, I like it as a bird. My diet consists largely of bread.
Why don't I want to be interviewed? Because I think you'll find us geese are far too busy to be interviewed about such trivial matters as bread. So if you wouldn't mind, me and my wife here, we are going to leave because we just don't have time, and you're interrupting our leisure time, our working time.
After this goose, I just gave up.